Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Eric Brate. A hot day coming up, very summer-like. Clouds and radar not showing a thing over the state of Texas thanks to high pressure. We are watching low pressure over the Pacific Northwest. That's going to filter in some cooler air eventually for us. But high pressure is going to be the mainstay of our weather for the time being for the first half of the week coming up. A lot of dry air aloft. We have a lot of humidity right at the surface, but the moisture layer is not very deep, so there's not a lot of fuel for showers and thunderstorms. And quite frankly, this ridge of high pressure would put a lid on anything coming up. So we're watching this low pressure area for our change in weather as we head through the week. Here's what happens. High pressure slips off to the east. This low pressure digs in behind it. A cold front comes through Houston. We're looking at Thursday afternoon, probably when this front comes through. It's going to increase our chance for rain, maybe a rumble of thunder or two as the front comes through. And then behind it, cooler air, drier air, less humid, more fall-like. It's going to lead into an absolutely fantastic weekend for us. So yeah, nice forecast coming up for the end of the week. We've got a little bit going on tropically. We've got some activity just to the north of the Dominican Republic on the east side of the Bahamas. This activity could develop into something organized tropically, but it's not going to impact the United States. That trough of low pressure I was telling you about that's going to bring us cooler temperatures, that's going to keep this activity offshore. We've also got Nicole still hanging on as a Category 1 storm out in the middle of the Atlantic, but that's no concern to anybody here. Here's your forecast, the power planner for the remainder of the afternoon. Mid-80s heading through lunchtime, 90 degrees for an afternoon high. And factor in the humidity, it's going to feel a little bit more like about 95 degrees. And yes, temperatures holding very close to 90 degrees through Wednesday. Stray shower possible Wednesday afternoon. Best chance for rain is going to come up on Thursday. Temperature's still warm on Thursday, but you're going to go to bed Thursday night, I think, and things are going to feel much different than Thursday morning. It's going to be less humid. We're going to feel that fall air rushing in, and it's going to be with us through the weekend. Here are the numbers. Temperatures in the 50s overnight with afternoon high temperatures in the 70s. Lots of sunshine. So beginning Friday, we have a string of very beautiful days coming up. Just got to be a little patient and wait for them to come. That's your 10-day forecast. Have a great afternoon, and thanks as always for checking us out at click2houston.com.